Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Sherry Levitt. I am one of the Canvas Corp brand crew members. I'm one of the alumni, and today I thought I would do an experiment. I wanted to see if the full crackle technique with the white glue will work with the sprays like it does with the acrylic paint. So first I'm putting a base layer of the Decor and DIY paint in silver. Heat setting that before adding my glue. And the glue that I'm using is not Elmer's. It's a cheap white glue from the 99-cent store. I just put it in that bottle because it's smaller and easy to handle. So spraying that with a glue brush. I didn't think there was enough white glue on there, so I'm putting some more on there. And the sprays that I'm using is the chalkboard spray in Canary and Glimmer Mist in Kiwi. And I heat set it. I did, once it was somewhat dry, put it to the side, let it, dry more natural with the heat gun. And it didn't crackle too much, a little bit, but it still gave a really cool effect. I almost saw some cells in there as I was drying. But it turned out really cool. I liked how it turned out. And you're going to see some close-up pics of the background before finishing the page. And there's what the finished background looks like. When I was taking pictures and editing the pictures, the center of the page looked like it was an ostrich or some kind of bird. Anyway, back to finishing the page. I didn't want to do too much to the page because I didn't want to take away that background because it's really cool. So I took a stencil and again the Decor and DIY paint in black and ebony, and with the makeup sponge, add some of that stencil on there. And I blocked off some of the stencil, so I only wanted a couple of those whirlybirds on there. And I got a little too much. I got paint where I didn't want paint, so I took a baby wipe and wiped it off. So for her, I used Tattered Angels, Glimmer, Glam, and Grandma's House. I tried different Tattered Angels sprays, and it just wiped off on because of the cardstock, because it's glossy, and this one's stick. Heat set that to dry. And now she's all sparkly and pale and pink. It's a pale pink. It's a really nice color. So what she's standing on are rings, and I decided to use that as her little stage. And that's from a magazine. And I'm using decoupage glue for that. And white glue to stick her down because it is a heavier cardstock. Setting that, trimming it up, trimming the bottom off. And I'll be finishing off the page with a sentiment, which is leave a little sparkle wherever you go, cutting it apart. And gluing it down just to be sure it sticks to the page. Making sure she stays. And I'm taking a palette that has some Tattered Angel sprays on there, and my wet brush, and I think the one that I'm using is the chalkboard spray in polka dot pink. I think that's the color that's on that palette. So now I'm getting the Stabilo All pencil and going around those words and the stage. Then using my wet brush and brushing that on. And there's the finished page. I like how it turned out. It's really cute. Some close-up pictures. And that's it for now, and thanks for watching.